In this video, I will be showing you guys how to connect your MT5 to your Exness account. So to do that, you click on details right here, then it will redirect you to your funding and setting. So you can see funds and setting. You click on setting at the right corner, then you can see type, number and name. Those are not relevant for now, so you come down to your login and server. So I'll copy my server and login, but first let me copy my server. Then once I have done that, I'll go to my MetaTrader 5. So I'll click the plus sign up. So this is the plus sign I'm talking about. So you click it, then paste the server that you have just copied. So you can see Exness Technology Ltd. So you click on it, it will show you login, password, server and saving password. So you go back to your Exness and copy your login. Wait, it's loading. Wait, it's loading right now. So click on details, setting, then copy my login, then go back to my MT5, MetaTrader 5, then paste the login. Remember, make sure you have your login password off at, that is your Exness login password off at, because you'll be needing it to log in. So let me input my then click on login, and note your server, make sure it is on Exness MT5 trail, not rail. Remember, we are creating a demo account, we are logging in to demo account, not real account. So you click on trail 9, then you press login. So as you can see, I've successfully connected my MT5 to my Exness account. Let me make a deposit so you can see that is already connected. Let me show you how to make a deposit on your demo account to start trading. So to make a deposit is very simple, it's not hard at all. So to make a deposit, you have to come to your Exness account, then wait, is loading up. Come to your Exness account, then click on deposit. That is this arrow sign right here, this one. So if you click on it, it will show you enter deposit amount. So you enter your deposit amount. I'll enter $100. Let me put $100, then click on deposit, click on continue. So what's going on, but okay, this option is not available. I think I'm having some issue here. Okay, so now I've deposited $100 now. Deposit is in your account already, so let me go back to my account. So as you can see, sorry, I pressed $100 4 times, so it appears to be $400 instead of $100. So the main point is that I've now deposited $100 on the demo account. So let me go back to my Exness, to my MT5 account. Let me refresh the page. As you can see, you can see that you can see $400 on my account already. So that's how to connect your MT5 to your Exness account. Thank you.